Even the light has limits. Sometimes, you don't come back. That hive you saw was a powerful wizard named Navota. Didn't expect to run into something that strong, and I wasn't prepared. Now it's too late. Maven Cass knew the risks. Best way to honor them is to finish the job. There's a Golden Age relic, a superconductor, in a sealed chamber nearby. Vanguard says we can make a weapon out of it. The problem is, the superconductor is overflowing with arc energy. Can't even get near the place, much less break the lock. We need to find a solution, and something tells me our fallen neighbors know a thing or two about the infrastructure here. These were my fire team's assignments. They're yours now. Go shake the tree, we'll see what falls out. Sounds good.
The last survivors of humanity's collapse call the city home. This is why I brought you back. To defend them. And to reclaim our lost worlds. We're here. The last city will come home.
Good to see you. What can you teach me? No, of course. Not here.
These people are friends. Friends, Soraya.
The House of Light is an outstanding addition to our city. I'm glad we stuck to our convictions through the endless night. Anything you need? Then take it. Then take it. Perhaps the harmony in the tower can lead to unity in the Warlock orders. Perhaps not. May it serve you well, Guardian.
We're all the same, deep down.
Yes, of
We all
course.
want the same things. Guardian, ghost, human, exo, awoken, frame, bird.
It's yours. You have questions? May it serve you well, Guardian. My hidden are scattered and quiet. I need information, Guardian. Yes, of course.
Was he looking at you funny? I think he was looking at you.
Loyalty to the Vanguard does...
Hi. So you Guardians are all about symbols, right? Warlocks, Titans, Dead Orbit, Iron Banner. I don't know how you keep track of it all. Point is, you understand that people need symbols to inspire them. You're in a clan. You know what I'm talking about. But repping a clan is just the start. Be careful out there. Stick close. You don't want some trigger-happy Guardian looking at you over their sights.
Hi. Hi there. Done, done, done. All done, all done. Oh, let me check right away.
Sure. Rhythmic physical expressions won't win a fight, but they feel good. And feeling good is better than not.
Monitoring all channels. Staying alert. Hi again.
Guardian. Guardian. Report. As you were.
Negative. All security.
Get up. There's nothing.
Always good to see another hero of the tower. Some of these rookies, Ian, they're rude.
Plenty of hostiles left to fight, Guardian. It's them or us.
All battles are just a lesson, Guardian. What's going on out there? Talk to me, Guardian.
Negative. All security requests must be directed through Sentinel.
This is not the Crucible, but not every place can be perfect.
Heard you put on quite a show. Lost too much when the Red Legion hit us. Take it. Take it easy.
What can you teach me? We are all warriors, but the city looks to the Titans. Don't take that lightly.
Is he looking at you funny? I think he was looking at
It's on your shoulders.
Wake up, humans, exos awoken. Listen to me. Is that what you sell to the Guardians?
For the city.
Hey, don't talk about Gambit out there.